Hey guys, let's talk about ice baths and how they can help benefit you with longevity and with healing. Okay, so what are the benefits of ice baths? So it helps with rapid muscle recovery by reducing the inflammation within your muscles. Um, Secondly, it decreases swelling and improves circulation. You would think that cold water hinders circulation, but it increases the circulation. Number three, it increases and boosts your mood and mental health. If you take an ice bath first thing in the morning, your day will significantly be improved. Number four, it decreases stress and helps with alertness and improves that stress factor. Um, it also strengthens your immune system and improves your quality of sleep. Try it, guys. Here are some risk factors. Do not do this alone, especially if it's the first time. Um, there are some rare instances where people slip fall and then either become unconscious, and this can cause hypothermia as well as frostbite, heart attacks. People with poor circulation, if you have Raynaud's, then um, that can increase your symptoms if you have Raynaud's, drowning, if you don't know how to swim, if it's large, and of course, fall risks. So, final thoughts on this. If you have not followed a few athletes, I know a couple of Olympian athletes, Gabby Reese definitely has popularized this. This is definitely an awesome phenomenon that you should all try. Let me know if you try. If not, if you have any questions, leave them down below. You guys have a great day.